Okay, so the next page, more blues scales, in context though. Well, not entire scales. They're the first 5 notes of the blues scale. So left hand is following the 12 bar blues, sort of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Yeah, it is. So, yeah, I shouldn't have to count all these, but I did. So, 12 bar blues progression, and it consists of 4 bars of 1. So, in this case, C is 1. 4 bars on 4. So, we're starting on F instead of C, but we keep the same. Everything else is the same. 1 bar on 5. So, 1 bar on G. 1 bar back on 4, and then the last 2 on C. So that's the 12 bar blues. Right hand is following the same progression. So when we're in the C area, or the 1 area, it's starting on C, lower C, higher C. When we move to 4, lower F, higher C. Interesting. And then we have a quick bar on G, quick bar on F, and then we finish in C. I would get used to the feeling. All of these lowers have those 3 half steps in a row, so I would be feeling for those. So when I mean lowers, I mean starting on the lower pitch instead of the higher pitch. So these go up and then back down. These are going down and then back up. So the up and then down have those 3 half steps all in a row. Same thing here, except for they got rid of one of them. And same thing here, except for they got rid of one of them. And then the upper, you still have all the half steps, but it's going in the opposite direction. So they're at the bottom of what you're playing instead of the top. So just being aware of where those are. In fact, you could just get used to the hand shape by playing the cluster. So, for example, first 2 bars, those are your 5 notes. Next 2 bars, those are your 5 notes. And they're suggesting just to play these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. So, first 2 bars, 3 and 4, and then we change our shape from here to here. So, same position, but different hand shape. That sounds so gross, but I love it. Okay, let's back up. Measure 1. Here's the shape on C. Measure 3. Here's the shape on F. Measure 5. Here's the shape on F. And then we go back to the previous shape. So we're just switching the half steps from top 3 to bottom 3. And then measure 7. Only 4 notes. Measure 9. 4 notes. Measure 10. 4 notes. And then we're back. These are all moving down a whole step. Anyway, that sounds so nasty. So let me play this for you. We'll take this one at 70 as the slowest. That's what this sounds like.
1, 2, set, go.
Move up to C. Change everything to F. And then change back to C shape, but still on F. I don't love that, but that's okay. G, down to F, and then down to C. So this isn't a true 12-bar blues just because the left hand keeps us in F, but the right hand switches us to C in bar 7, which is just kind of weird and not expected for the style. Now I'm going to play this one more time. I'm going to try with the swing rhythm, just so you can hear how that would sound if you choose to do it that way. And I'm going to do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to F. Up to G. So just like all the other pieces we did, exercises with the blues scale, you can swing any of those. This week, if you would like to drop something, you can drop one scale with both hands. So you could, for example, choose not to do the F blues with the right hand and the left hand. So if you would like to forego something, you can forego one scale with both hands. That's everything I have for today. I will have more information in the announcements, and I will see you guys next week.